Hi there, Erin Vogt helping you simplify the chaos of everyday living within your home and in your business. With the Spinning to Winning workshop, we decided to tackle digital clutter. And we started out with email because there is such a need to pare down the unread emails so that it shows up with your inbox as a much less scary number when you go to your email and take a look at, okay, what's actually waiting for me in there that I can read? I can sort through and see that there is what my emails are supposed to be and then what this junk is over here. And when I say junk, I mean unread emails in the hundreds, if not thousands. Okay. So with this workshop, my goal was simple. It was, let's find a way to set up the settings in your email so that you can go click, click, click and be able to get rid of hundreds, if not thousands, within minutes. So I'm going to show you how exactly we did that. Now, one of our guys, Matt, he went from 69,210 emails in his inbox down to 65,000 in 25 minutes. I want you to think about how you could build that into your day, into your week, right? If that was something that was a goal of yours and you had tens of thousands of emails, which a lot of people with ADHD do. Don't feel bad. Mine at one point was well over 20,000. I used to manually do it, just sitting on my couch on Sundays. And I realized you can do a lot of different things. Today, I'm just showing you one way. Right now, you'll see this is my Gmail inbox. First of all, I want to show you a couple of tips. So for instance, when you go to the gear box up here with the settings function, you go see all settings. And there's two things to watch for. Maximum page size. So in this case, let's expand it from 20 to 100 because you want the most that you can at any given time. The other thing is to check your inbox tab here and is promotions, social, and updates checked off. If it is not, then you're only going to have primary. And what happens is you can't tell if something is social, meaning that it's just an ad or a promotion coming at you. You probably don't want to look at the promotion from, say, Old Navy or Shein or wherever. I could be wrong. But it's nice to know that your general primary inbox is set for the things that matter to you. So set those settings up for yourself. Make sure you save your changes. And then we're going to rock and roll. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the unread emails inside of my promotions tab. See how it's showing the oldest and newest? You want to choose oldest because you want the oldest out of the way. Now, if you are someone who has emails from back to 2016, which some of the participants in the workshop had, this is really handy for you because you can take a look and say, I've never seen this in almost 10 years. Yes, it could be a freebie that you downloaded and you never opened it. But guess what? You had 9 years to do it and you're not going to. Let's be honest. We're talking about the complications that can be with an ADHD mind, for one, about stepping into ownership of your email and realizing you can release the clutter that no longer serves you. If that is something that you're dealing with, hold on till the end of this video and I'll share something a little bit more about that. So back to getting it done. Let's get this stuff out of here. So I just use this function here, the select function, and unread. And what's nice about that is that anything that is read isn't lit up, and then you're simply going to hit the delete button. Now I'm left with one, right? My primary, these are just ads. Social, same thing. Updates. Updates from other emails coming at me. I don't need them. I'm just gonna look real quick. Is there anything here I really want to look at? The answer is no. So I'm going here, unread, select it. It feels so nice to have this when you don't need your emails anymore. So now look, when I pop in my email, there's nothing to worry about. Now this is my Gmail. I generally use Outlook. I have a handout for you to handle these really quick settings tabs to make sure it's easy. Recap, see all settings, set it to 100. Make sure that you have your inbox, promotion, social updates set up so that categorizes your emails, and then save your changes. And then when you go to the actual email in your inbox, you're just using the select function. Okay? Allow yourself to let go what you've never looked at before. That was a big takeaway from this workshop. And from the people that came, they said It was nice to do it in a group environment so they didn't feel that pressure so much, because when we do this on our own, we can feel that overwhelm. When you want to let go of things, allow yourself to just bless and release it. And I want you to also think about how many freebies you've opted into in the last little while. Is it time to unsubscribe from them? And also, next time you go to find a sponsored ad or think that they have the magic pill for you, without discounting what they offer, just allow yourself to know, do I really want to opt in for this freebie? Is it worth it? Am I going to use it? Is it valuable? Or is it just going to clutter up the rest of my inbox? I'm impulsive, and I imagine you are too. A busy, beautiful brain with ADHD. When I work with my clients and for myself, we want to cut back on what is not serving us so that we can make space and opportunity for what is. Okay? So I have a PDF for you that will give you a breakdown of all these steps. I know you have trouble zones in either digital or physical clutter, or maybe just from the mindset around it, and how to get the chaos out of your life so that you can see what's in front of you. I know you want to take this next quarter forward for yourself and your business. And if we can clear out the clutter and chaos, we can see what's in front of us. This audit is a way for me to see all the different components you're talking about, figure out the priorities, and pare it down step by step. A customized one-to-one session with me. I'm offering that to you today. If you want to jump on that, let me know, and I would be happy to share my calendar link with you. Thanks for tuning in. This is Erin Vogt coming at you with the Spinning to Winning recap. Take care.